Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to step on today's video? I'm going to show you how to go live on Yubo. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Yubo app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app on your phone, then sign in. Once you sign in, on the bottom of your screen, you can see options like swipe, friends, activities, chat, and live. There are options like explores and invites. All you have to do is tap on that big red go live option and allow permissions for microphone and camera and tap on continue. And guys, that's it. That's how you go live on Yubo. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.